Hello everybody and welcome back to another video on what is now HydroDip Academy. As I'm sure you can already tell, this video is going to be a little bit different. This is not a tutorial or a showcase. This video is just for giving updates and announcements on the channel. First and foremost, thank you guys. As of recording this, the channel is almost at 40 subscribers and honestly, this means so much to me. I'm sure this number may seem small to you when you're used to all the YouTubers having tens of thousands or maybe even millions of subscribers. I know as a viewer this seems really small to me, but as a creator, knowing 39 people are even somewhat interested in what you do is super meaningful and inspiring. So thank you all so much and I hope you really enjoy the content. Also, I saw that many of you like Steiger and Blue Applehead also do customs, and I think that's really cool. I respect your work, especially the hand painting because that looks so difficult. But if you guys ever want to get in contact to talk about the small YouTube life or just make a new friend, then you can feel free to email me at theofficialdesignerdips@gmail.com. It's a bit long-winded, and who knows, maybe we can collab one day. So, as I mentioned at the beginning of this video, I recently rebranded from Designer Dips to HydroDip Academy. I just wanted to officially announce this as well as give a little bit of explanation. There are already several channels out there dedicated to just showing cool HydroDip items in like these montages and showcases. And although I do still want to do that because I find that fun and they're fun to make and edit and create, I thought I might do something a little different and create a channel that's based around teaching people how to HydroDip. Because although there are a bunch of videos out there that kind of give a basic overview of how to do it, there are a lot of complex aspects that come into play sometimes that there's just not covered. So I wanted to create a channel dedicated to that, as well as some entertaining clips and showcases. And I know I only have 2 episodes up in the HydroDipping for Beginners series, but as I always say, the best way to build momentum is to just get started. Essentially, the channel is supposed to cover all sorts of different guides for hydrodipping, as well as reviews of different tools for hydrodipping and anything else really related to the topic. So if any of this sounds interesting to you and like something worth supporting, then feel free to like the video and subscribe because that is another great way for me to build momentum. Thank you. But now for the moment you've all been waiting for, or maybe not, I don't know, this is the first time I've ever done this. Although I'm new to this, as soon as I hit 100 subscribers, I would love to do a giveaway. The problem is, I've obviously never done one before, so it's going to be a learning experience. Why not get some experience now so that the time I have like 1,000 subscribers or a bigger milestone, I will have some practice and I can do like cooler items like a custom Air Forces. Like I've always wanted to do that. But I think 100 subscribers would be a great milestone to try this out on, and it would give me a little bit of time to learn how to do it. And although I may not completely understand the process, I do know what I want to give away. This first one goes out to all the gamers out there. I've had some good experience with controllers recently. You can see one of the customs I recently did for my friend. But I think that's something I'm confident in the durability and aesthetic of that I would love to give away to someone. So if you're interested in getting a custom controller, then go ahead and share this video right now so I can get to 100 subscribers faster. Or just leave a comment letting me know that yes, this is a good idea, no, this is not a good idea, or which console is better, but like, let's not get too controversial. Unless your insults are funny. But that's all I got for this video. Thank you for checking in. I know it was a little different, but I just had some announcements that I thought I needed to get out there. And I just wanted to connect with you guys and just make it a little more personal, I guess. But yeah. But thanks for watching and have a good one.